Alright, here we're going to try and evaluate the log base 7 of 45 using a calculator and get it to 4 decimal places. So for some people, they have a calculator that will do any base, but if you don't, you can change this using the property to change the base property. Log base A of B can be written as log B over log A. And then all calculators that do logarithms will do base 10. Or you can use the natural log, but we can rewrite our problem as the log base 10, log of 45 over log of 7. So then I pick up a calculator, and you should always follow along with me, because if you're not getting the same thing, then we need to reconcile. But I get that this is approximately 1.9562 if I round that to 4 decimal places. So make sure you get that.